The future of dropshipping is evolving fast. Are you tired of the complexities of dropshipping? Managing multiple platforms and suppliers can feel overwhelming. Traditional setups involve endless plugins and time-consuming processes. Imagine spending weeks configuring your store and searching for reliable suppliers, only to waste more time running ineffective ads. What if you had one platform that simplified everything? Introducing MD DropShip, a powerful new platform designed to make dropshipping faster, smarter, and easier than ever before. MD DropShip is currently in development and will be launching soon. With MD DropShip, store creation is a breeze. We automatically build your store, import winning products, and connect payments. Launch your ads effortlessly and focus on scaling your business. First, our AI store builder creates high-converting storefronts instantly. Second, you can import products with just one click, complete with high-resolution images. Third, enjoy automated order fulfillment without any manual entries. What sets us apart? Our smart ads generator writes compelling ad copy for you. Plus, track sales effortlessly with our analytics dashboard. Get your store ready in seconds with no design skills required. Our mobile-optimized, fast-loading stores look beautiful. Why struggle with manual tasks when our AI handles product descriptions and predicts trends? Ready to revolutionize your dropshipping journey? Start your dropshipping business smarter with MD DropShip. MD DropShip is launching soon. Be among the first entrepreneurs to experience a smarter way to build and scale your dropshipping business. Coming soon.